So for those that aren't keeping score, this is day 2 of the South Central Tournament on Lake Cumberland. We just finished up day 1 in the previous video. You can watch that. I'll leave the link down below in the description. But this is day 2, fishing for $10,000. After the first day, we were in 25th place with 1088. So we knew we had, I think 18 pounds was leading, so we were in a pretty deep hole and knew we had to catch a great big giant bag to even have a shot at winning, which at that point we pretty much knew we weren't going to win. But we go catch 15 pounds. We got a shot at a really good check and maybe a top 10. So that was our goal going out on day number 2. Check it out. There's one. Come off. Yeah. Oh no. Was he over there?
I don't know what it was.
Could be anywhere. It'll be on that drain back there, I imagine. There could be one in this drain for sure. I just don't know. Just have to go over there and see. little green one. That little green one. I like you cute though. Nope. Yes, sir. I didn't get it on this GoPro, but I got it on this one. I'll show y'all in a second. I hope I can. Oh yeah. Sorry, I didn't get them on the good cam. Hard enough fishing. Alright, so at this point in the day, we are setting on just 2 fish, and things are not looking very good for us. We're just kind of running around aimlessly, and honestly, the first part of the afternoon was absolutely terrible. You'll see here in this next clip that we finally got things turned around with like an hour left to go. I got it hooked in the side, I think. Oh no, it's a big largie. Let's go! Yes! Let's go! Hey, hey! What do you know, huh? Hey! Hey! What's up, buddy? I've been looking out here. Yeah! They're not here in this territory. Come on. Hey, I don't care. Whatever. I hooked it. Yeah, come on. Ha ha. Alrighty. Okay. Alright. Now, we're definitely getting paid. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are 100% getting paid now. Okay, now. Doing nothing. Are you kidding? Keep going. I got it. Oh, the camera died again, man. Every time I'm in this pocket, I'm catching a fish. Got another spot down there. Jeez. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We ended up running back in with 4 fish. Knew we weren't gonna get a top 10. Just knew we knew we were gonna get a check. Just didn't know how good it would be. You know, kind of figured we'd stay around that 20th position. Figured we'd move up a little bit, but not much because we were just consistent. Honestly, we thought we had more than we had in our 4 fish when we went to weigh in, but you know, that's how it goes sometimes. 8:15. 48. Sandsman. Hold on, man. Jeez Louise.
Y'all got his number?
Yeah.
Good.
1079.
What do you have yesterday?
1088.
And you'll probably check.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Oh, 10, Doug.
Yeah, so 1077 gave us a 2-day total of a little over 21, something in that range, and we landed in 15th, made $800 check, and got to go home. And that's all for the Cumberland videos for the year. It was a great time. Those guys that put on the South Central tournaments do an excellent job. I mean, it just made you feel like you're at home, and it was just more of a good old boy tournament for literally $10,000, and it was pretty awesome getting to fish those. So looking forward to doing it again next year. As far as fishing videos go here in the near future, we are probably only going to do some West Virginia stuff, and as soon as it warms up, as you guys can see probably behind me, it's nothing but snow. And when it finally warms up, we are going to do some traveling and do some awesome fishing. So we'll catch y'all on the next one. See ya.